my name's Ryan Dominguez, Gilbert Ryan Dominguez, family medicine. And I chose family medicine as my specialty basically because as I was going through med school, I kind of one of those guys that liked everything. And not only that, but the relationships that one develops in family medicine is probably one of the more important things for me. My subspecialty, I believe, is focusing more on general wellness and preventative medicine. And by that I mean, I think that with preventative medicine, there is the general staying up to date on your routine exams, which is important, but I also try to approach the patient from a mind-body perspective because I feel like what goes on up here definitely is going to connect what goes on down here, and you can't separate the two. The most important part to me is trust. I feel it's very important for one human to be able to trust another human, and I think that if a patient comes into my office and doesn't feel like they can trust me, they're not going to disclose all the information I need to know to help them. I ask that when patients do come in, I do look at it as a partnership, and they need to come into my practice with an open mind and being willing to accept change, and maybe what they're doing isn't best for their health. What I appreciate most about my affiliation with Scripps is the network of physicians and the personal relationships I've developed. I mean, over the years, I feel like I can pick up the phone and I can call a cardiologist or pulmonologist and know that my patient's getting the best care. I consider my office a fairly innovative practice. Since 2003, I've had an electronic medical record and probably was one of the first practices on this campus to have one. And I'm constantly developing it. I'm going to have a patient web portal soon, e-prescribing, and also patients have my personal email. My hobbies and interests away from the office include basically anything outdoors. I love riding my bike, running, playing soccer, tennis, anything that allows me to kind of have that stress release, because I really try to practice what I preach, and I think that exercise is a great way to maintain that mind-body connection.